Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over the acrylic spray bottle technique. The acrylic spray bottle technique involves using spray or misting bottles to apply diluted acrylic paint onto a surface. Acrylic paint can be diluted with water to achieve a thinner consistency suitable for spraying. For this tutorial, we'll use magenta, medium yellow, and turquoise blue. We'll start by pouring the desired amount of acrylic paint into the spraying bottle. Other containers can also be used for making the paint and water mixture, which can be transferred into the bottles. The ratio of paint and water can vary, depending on the desired effect of the artist, and the type of surface being painted on. The diluted paint should be thin enough to spray easily, but not so watery that it drips or runs excessively. Before spraying, make sure to securely close the nozzle and shake the bottle vigorously. Making sure the nozzle is tightly closed helps to prevent any leaks or spills during the shaking process. This initial shaking can take about a few minutes until the paint is completely mixed with water. Before applying the paint to your main surface, always do a test spray on a scrap piece of paper or cardboard to check if the consistency is right for you. Adjust consistency if necessary. Make it a habit to shake the bottle every time you start spraying. It's advised to lay down newspaper or a drop cloth to protect your surroundings from overspray. You can also just choose to clean the oversprayed area with cloth or tissue paper while the paint is still wet. Hold the spray bottle a few inches away from the surface before you apply the paint. Usually, paint is sprayed from 6 to 8 inches away from the surface and in a steady, even motion. Try to experiment with using a sweeping motion. Move your hand smoothly and steadily across the surface to avoid concentrating the paint in one area, and to ensure even coverage. You can adjust the speed and distance of your sweeping motion to control the intensity of the mist and achieve your desired effect. You can also continue adding layers with paint to cover the surface. You can create depth in your spray pieces by layering different colors using other tools, such as stencils or palette knives. Check out our layering and palette knife tutorials for more information. Links in description. Here, we're using an ordinary jar cover to add rings randomly. Add final touches unless you're satisfied. This is the end of our spraying with acrylics tutorial. Always remember to practice using different colors and styles to find out which one you enjoy the most. I also hope that you've gained insightful techniques in this tutorial, and I hope to see you use these techniques in your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.